dangerous situation can arise at any time. Besides technical faults, the cause in most cases is just incorrect operation and human error. In the event of a flashback, the flame travels through the pipeline at twice the speed of sound. It is impossible to intervene manually and prevent the accident. The worst case scenario, explosion of the compressed gas cylinder or gas tank. The flashback arrestor provides protection against such catastrophic failures. A multi-stage protection system based on the dry flashback arrestor that VIT launched on the market around 70 years ago. Flashback arrestors have revolutionized accident prevention with fuel gases and are used throughout the world today. A modern quality flashback arrestor made by VIT has at least 3 protection elements: a gas non-return valve, a flame arrestor, and a temperature-sensitive cutoff valve. A pressure-sensitive cutoff valve can also be added, ensuring maximum safety. Let's have a look at the principle behind the flashback arrestor in more detail. If a hazardous situation arises and unwanted gases flow through the pipeline, the spring-loaded non-return valve will come into action. It stops the return flow instantaneously, thereby preventing the formation of an explosive gas mixture. If, on the other hand, a flashback occurs, this will be stopped immediately by the key element of the flashback arrestor, the hollow cylinder made from sintered chrome-nickel steel. Only with this technology can flames from the flashback be prevented. The outstanding technical features are based on the highly porous structure of the cylinder. Incoming flames break up into an extended labyrinth, thereby losing their energy and cooling. Any flame is extinguished in a fraction of a second. The temperature-sensitive cutoff valve is the third important protection element. The integrated plastic body melts and the spring-loaded valve triggers before the device can heat dangerously. This automatic interruption of the gas supply prevents a critical ignition temperature from forming at the gas inlet. A dangerous backburning is stopped at source and remains without damage. For maximum safety, VIT also provides a pressure-sensitive cutoff valve for various models.